Today I'm going to show you how to select an object on the same background, and change a background color with shadow in Adobe Photoshop. First right-click the background or subject layer, and convert it to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Stylize, and find Edges. Now from the toolbar, select your Object Selection tool. Open the mode list at the top, and select Lasso. Create a loose selection around the headphone to select it. Now delete this Smart Filters. Click on the mask icon to create a mask. Now you can see here that this headphone has no background. This time I'm going to add a new background color, and create a shadow for this headphone. So just click on this adjustment layer icon. Then create a new solid color. In this color picker, you can choose any color for background. So I'm gonna choose white. Then press OK. Drag the background color, and drop it below the headphone or layer 0. Now select the top layer or layer 0. Then click the FX icon, and choose the drop shadow. Change the blend mode from normal to multiply. And the shadow color, black. I'll increase the opacity all the way to 40%. Now you can drag this shadow, and place it in a position you want. And you can also adjust the size of your shadow, by dragging this slider. Press OK once you're satisfied. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.